Julie Juu TV. Said your brain in a can. Yes, sister, who share TV now. But my dear, subscribe to your channel, no like, share. Now we are hey, one more comment. Moya saya day, and my more vim, and my mora, ne boost your immune system. No, I'm my yenya who are in dada. I program for Eddie Abramo when you be a share. You catch them say, yeah, but Ghana party in the park. I omoto omboasia ma Julie Juu TV accreditation. Say yembrana de yakoso nyina ye metwa yenye wo yen TV no so na adofo nso enya bi hwe sabre ya wo menua ba fe bi e wo yen chen ne stand no ya Mefie onu nko anete ase menua ba odin the same
but you from me Ivy wo free here fa
me ba show me ye Ghana ni we are Ghana ni ampa we are Ghana ni na uti krom ha anase wo free Ghana and buy because minim say nkrofo bebre ho a company no na di omba e say omomra megina company na nam
me ba show ye wo krom ha say company ye register e wo krom ha say
ti mu company no e wo e base wo UK Mefie e dey ni Mefie
me ba cho Mefie a company
me na ba me ma no odin o nti so ba wa no nya de
me mama no aye de Mefie a company ya register e wo UK Mefie a company Mefie a company ye run prize competitions. Prize competition is say bia it is a raffle say bia at the moment no ye competition fully paid raffle competition to Ghana. For as little as £3, you can win a competition to Ghana, fully paid flights, accommodation, private chef, papebi, and access to so many events. You see a platform no near Yama Ghana be on the map. We want to promote Ghana. If I see a share Obia say Ghana ye fair, Ghana ye baby obetimi atsna, Ghana baby obetimi invest, Ghana baby obetimi build it. And see Mefie, that is what Mefie aims to do through its prize competitions.
Sa competition no sign amoya no because bia me kra me ye bi because free take the adu food there some money monim so bia pe ade for one empe moya da na moya raffle.
Oh, me patcho, very simple. All you have to do is call your website www.me-fie.com. Very simple. O register. No one told ticket I will pay. ABL pay ticket back home. ABL pay so enter 3 times. Very simple. You make your payment, knowing your ticket numbers, and then you draw now. There will be one guaranteed winner going all the way to Ghana for free.
Okay, into who win here first prize, no? Any ticket I Ghana nana.
Yes, into we need only what down for and now or be up on in the call for 2 people leaving on the 26th of December to the 4th of January. You bema a private driver 24 hours. Yebema baby atsna, yebema a private chef. Yebema access to so many exciting activities.
Say me pesa me ma okwan. Sign chire mu Mefie eniama Mefie esan ye chire adofo say mu hia nipa bebre so mbekọ mo site ho no makwa ye mu promo no raffle no said the bear hey ye nyina adufo de said dem ka obi ape ye nyina ye bedi
entino eno na Mefie ye we promote Ghana. We also looking to support charities in Ghana and good causes, and we want to encourage everyone use our platform as an exciting way to promote Ghana. Give back to Ghana by entering our prize competition online. Kai www.me-fie.com. Simple. Ubeti so follow us on Instagram. You TikTok and so Facebook and so you
and how no crowd ya bas okay say watch some ya my hu say Mefie no moya sa raffle no na o ka me bi fa charity no so amoya no obetimi a cheche mu kakra anansa mo odwumade foforo bi a mo san di ka ho a eno so ka na nkrofo ho enwuma hodo a Mefie eye
Oh, excellent. And Tisiano, Mefie, because your pese you support Ghana charities and good causes, no. Ye cast obi obeba your website be unsuggested charity my. Ye pese ye in na ye bom near selected charities ye pese ye support you more. We want to make sure that they are good charity and they are really making a difference in Ghana. And to be who says oba your website Niswa, there will be a place where you can tell us about the charity you want to support and we will reach out to them, make sure that they are genuine and we'll make sure say we support them.
Oh, okay. Not just a meme to us here. More charity, charity no. Nyamuana more charity. Nemum adofo charity se wo Ghana no. Any kromo hana charity se wo na mu chusubi. Na makwakwa boa wo mo. Enye sa.
Definitely. And tie pese mo charities are munima you are very passionate about. And then tell us who the charities are. We will contact them and we will vet them. Make sure some omoye juma no mo kasa omo beye no. Se omoye papa no omoye bibia fire. Ni enso kakra betimi dia momo no. Ni dia toa juma ne so.
Ah, Mefie ampa. Okay, Mefie. Me pese wo sande mo social media handles ni nyina atodwa. Na mo telephone number so a wo di todwa because me pe ba bia obi hwehwa mo a obehu mo. Me pesa wo kan na obi ehun se me hwehwe Mefie a me call site wey me friend telephone number wey announce bibi say kwan ya obefa so obehu mo no pesa o cheche
me da say enti no call your website ho a your social handles ni bibia wo so your telephone number so ho but Instagram wo hwehwe Instagram so a me ba cho be type ME_FIE_ and no your Instagram. Facebook and so the same ME_FIE_. Ojo share TikTok in Swa. You will Mefie #1. Into Mefie and then number as NO1. Into no and no social media handles. But ojo share your information via your website. And when you be bia was so send a message. Pet, we are so efficient. So we will get back to you and answer any inquiry that you have.
Okay, Mate, me say me pesa wo chia wadofo any mo customers wo can be chiro mo wo chia wadofo krom ha say ni back home any mo customers so nyina.
Oh yeah, that's it. We chia mo ni na. We wish you good health, prosperity, bibia, and we encourage you to support what Mefie is doing. We are not just a prize competition website, but like I said, we're promoting Ghana, promoting investments in Ghana, promoting relocation in Ghana, promoting just developing Ghana. And you know, if you are for Ghana in any way, come to our website, join us, and join the good work that we're doing. And TV, Julie Juu Tv, Julie Juu Tv, for this opportunity to feature on your channel. God bless the good work you're doing. We'll also support you in any way that we can. Yadamase.
Yo, menu aba, yadawase bebre, yadawase. So they make an Mr. Bomodia. Subscribe to your channel, no? Like, share, follow your Facebook, follow your Instagram. TikTok nso sa na wo wia wa subscribe yen so e wo YouTube ai mo yesa e ma ye movim e ma ye mola na boost your immune system no after the moral no na enya hoden aye program foforo e di abra mo nya biare ye da so a Ghana party in the park time ni kuchu ni akoso bia ye de bebre mo ye de mase bebre aya na ye de mbesi me nua ba ma do for bye bye.
Oh, bye bye. Bye.